Hi everyone, this is Keanu with Pampered Chef, and today we're going to use our deluxe cooking blender, and we are going to make peanut butter. Now I'm going to be using peanuts, but you can put other nuts to make different types of nut butter. You can make hummus, you can make all kinds of things in this blender. Now let me just show you, there's an on and off switch here, so you can turn it on. And I do not have, I just have these peanuts, these roasted peanuts that I got in the grocery store. And we're going to make peanut butter, so it's very quick. So we're going to remove the lid. Well, let me turn it on. Okay. And then we're going to add, all we have to do is add our peanuts. I'm just going to add this whole container of peanuts. Put your lid back on. You hear that noise? That means it's locked. And then we are going to use the grind function. So what you do is there's a wheel here. You're going to turn this wheel and you're going to find the word grind. It has different functions you can use right here. So let's go to the grind right here. And it takes 2 minutes and 20 seconds. So you just hit the start. And we are going to have to use this tamper. Okay, so let's get started. Starting to get creamy. It's working its way. Getting nice and creamy. Go down to 24 seconds and you have homemade peanut butter. This was on sale at the grocery store, two for like $2.50 or something. So I just bought it, and so I'm going to make homemade jelly in here also. One and boom. Do you hear that beep? That's telling you that it's done. So all you do is throw your stuff in and walk away. Open it up. Okay, let's check it. Ooh-wee. All right. Ooh, look at this. Here's your peanut butter. All right, now, let's say you like your, you want it to be a little sweet. Now, you can go buy the peanuts that have, they're honey roasted, and then they'll be sweet already. But let's say I want my peanut butter a little sweet. You can just get some honey or whatever sweetener you want in there. I'm just going to put just a tiny bit. And then what you do is you're not going to hit the grind button again. We're just going to come over here. Sorry, I have to walk around because I can't see from the backwards. And just hit the pulse button. See? Just to mix it. If you hold it, it'll keep blending. I say that would be good enough. And then let's open this up. And this has a lip right here that you, because this is very heavy. This container is made out of glass, and this is warm because it heated up to make the nuts butter, okay? Let's move this out of the way. And I want you to see what it looks like inside. Do you see your peanut butter? Okay, now let's see. You know, it's warm, so you'll have to let it kind of cool down a little bit, and then it'll get a little bit firmer. And do you see how nicely it spreads? And you know what? This is homemade. If you can get fresh peanuts, that would be amazing. Okay, now what I do is I always have this in my house, a painter's tape with a Sharpie, and I always date everything I make, so I know how long I've had it. This is, I put the date, and I call it the peanut butter, of course, and then I'm just going to pour this into these jars. I highly suggest you use glass when you're saving things for a while. Then this is warm, and there you have it. You have made, let's see how much we got out of that jar. I mean, how amazing, you know, that you're not putting any kind of chemicals. Now, I know I used a pre-made one, but if you can get some raw peanuts and roast them yourself, that'd be really a nice, healthy way to have peanut butter. But here we go. This made this. Okay. Well, anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. This is the most amazing product, and thanks. Aloha.